Hi guys, Nokia 6.1 just got the Android 9 Pie update and it's in beta stage, not the perfect version, but still it got some crazy cool new features and we are going to test this in this video. And we have also got the Nokia 5.1 with Android Oreo, and for if we need some quick references to the earlier version of the Android, we will do that. And before proceeding, one important talk, please do subscribe the channel, please do this and turn on the notification bell. Okay, you need to do that. So let's start with the features of Android 9 Pie on Nokia 6.1. The first and the most cool feature about this is these buttons. The buttons is like crazy stuff. You can go to settings and then system and then gestures and then swipe up on home button, turn that on, and this thing you get a little bar, and this thing like miracles the phone. So after enabling this feature, this little bar will appear on the bottom of the screen, and if you like swipe that thing, you will see all the recent apps. You need to do like this, and it's like so easy. If you swipe that thing on, you will see the apps here. Here's a clear all feature, and these apps are like recommended by Google upon your usage. So this thing is a new thing, because earlier if we like swiped up, it will be the app drawer, but now you get some recommendations. You may like to use these apps. Google thinks that, and so it's like this. Now some more features about this thing is you can just like do this once and you will go to the previous apps. One swipe the previous apps like this, and here is a little back button. If you go to the app and this back button appears, so there is no menu app button, but there is a cool back button always there. Now let's move to the notification shade. The notification shade is new. It's more like user friendly. We have two themes. Yes, that's an important point. If you don't like the dark theme, display, and then advanced, then device theme, and then automatic. If you want to change the theme based on the wallpaper, or light, or then dark. If you turn to light, it will appear like this now. Okay, now let's move to the volume rockers part. The volume rockers is the default is the media. Earlier it used to be the call volume and ring volume, but this time it's media. If you go to the settings, you will see that call volume and ring volume is now completely separate, and so it's like this. You have to remember this. You have to get accustomed with this, that if you turn this up or down, it will be the default media volume, not the call volume. So this is something new. Then there is something new in the developer option part. How to turn on the developer option? First let's see that. I go to system of about phone, then build number. Click this some few times. You will go to the developer option. You see the developer option right here, and here is a full bezel mode. If you don't like that thing, you can just disable that bezel by turning on the option. And then there is another feature, cool feature right down here. Simulate a display with cutout like this. You have to first turn off that feature. Wait. Full bezel mode is turned off, and then going to the simulator display none, then simulator display with corner display cutout. It will appear like this, double display cutout. So it's like this. You can play with the settings if you like. Not that you have to do it, but it's there, always there. We have this in the recent app section. You have this. If you want to like, you have to tap on this, and then app info and split screen option comes here. You can then select the other app and then play with the split screen thing. Nice and easy. This is our Android only. New crazy features, but it has been a little bit remodified and like just like that. Now to end this video, we have some last features right down here. You can see the battery option. If you hold this, you have the new adaptive battery. It's like the new AI mode for the battery. It saves and turns power saving mode on and off according to the app's usage. It's a new mode. Maybe it will work. And next we have the brightness. Sorry. Display. Adaptive brightness, yes, it will now change the brightness according to your usage, means day or night. Like this, it will try to use machine learning for controlling the brightness part. It's a new feature. These AI features will get better with time. It may not work perfectly just now, but these things will be great in future. I believe that it will be great. And overall, it's quite a lot of changes. There are some minor bugs. We are not talking about that because we know HMD Global will fix these issues. This is a great update, no doubt. Thanks guys for watching this video. We will be back with some more new content, and subscribe the channel as said before. Bye guys, this is Aishi disappearing for the moment.